Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I am finally going to organize my bedroom closet. It has gotten a little out of control because we throw anything in here and don't end up using it. So without any further ado, let's get started. And the first thing I'm going to do is take everything out of the closet. Since it has been a while since I cleaned this closet, I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray. And I did decide to leave my holiday decorations in here, but I'm just moving these totes to get my fall decorations out. So I wanted everything to look nice and clean, so I decided to go with some white hangers. So I'm just going to replace all the colored one with the white ones. I decided I did not need the 3-tier bin, so I just put those items in my nightstand. And this is everything I'm going to donate except the green bin with my fall decorations. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gives you some inspiration to get your bedroom closet done or any closet. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.